taking its toll, painted with lines to show. You've had your fill of asphalt, cough tremors and smoke-filled doors. Looks like the habit controls you. Look like you need a rest. Made it through the teller line, don't know what to expect, and God knows you don't need it. Too early you might be the one. Find yourself somewhere else, too early in the sun. Song strains distant over a barroom drink-filled roar. The old folk singer lays it down, not for long, no longer ignored. Spinning tales of temptation, of gambling days lost and won. No crimes committed here, too much habit could be the one. And God knows you don't need it. Too early you might be the one. Find yourself somewhere else, too early in the sun. Never seen half of what you've seen. Real life never quite adds up. The road goes on when the faces don't. Word of mouth never tells the truth. I'd like to hear your story told with a two-step beating time. Could be Tennessee or Texas, on and on that road.